Hey dog lovers, are you ready to celebrate National Dog Day in a special way? I'm Zaki, your go-to expert for all typefaces and designs. Today, we are going to create a fun and easy Twibbon in Canva to show off your love for your dog. Whether you are a proud dog parent or just dog lover, this is a great way to spread love and raise awareness in the animal community. Let's dive right in. Did you know that every August 26, we can celebrate it as National Dog Day? National Dog Day, or International Dog Day as some people would call it, was introduced in 2004 by animal advocate Colin Pitts. It's celebrated on August 26, the day Colin's family adopted their first dog. The day aims to raise awareness about the number of dogs that need to be rescued. Because if you are looking for a life companion, shelters are full of four-legged friends who are waiting for their chance and will bring just happiness to your days. So, National Dog Day is the perfect time to show them some extra appreciation. And that's also why I'm so excited to make this Twibbon design for you all. Before starting the design, as you can see here, I looked for the design inspiration on Pinterest to get an overview of what I wanted to do later in the design. I used the keyword pet shop Instagram post instead of National Dog Day because the design references for that phrase are more diverse and extensive. So, after going through Pinterest, I concluded that the majority of the typography used in this post is display type. The colors are bold and bright, and the graphic elements are usually organic shapes that accentuate the joyful and playful nature of the design. First, let's create a design by using Instagram post with the dimension of 1080 by 1080 pixels. And then I titled my design document National Dog Day 2024. After that, I prepared the color palette. For the colors, I would be using the combination of purple, yellow, and orange. One tip to quickly duplicate the object is by pressing the Alt key and clicking the object to move it to the side. I duplicated some more objects and changed the colors. I've previously decided on some color codes that I want to choose here. For the background, I would be using this purple, not the darkest one. Give some space for the dog picture by using one of the frames available in Canva. Well, maybe you wonder why using a frame? Why not just insert a picture? For your information, if we use a frame, then it will be easier for us should we want to replace the picture later. Okay, back here, I entered the keyword arc to get a half shape of a circle and then put the frame right in the middle and adjusted the size. For the next step, I added a shape under the frame for the National Dog Day rating. On the keyword, I wrote organic shape. Oh, and for your information again, to use the free elements on Canva, check on the filter path and scroll down to find the price section, then choose the free one. Also, because the design this time is not a motion object, in the animation part here, choose static. Continuing on, I move to graphic parts, and I would choose the most suitable element for my design. Okay, so I chose this element and as usual, I arranged and adjusted the position. I changed the color to a lighter purple. And then I added one more element. I put it above the previous one and I adjusted the size. I added the text happy, and then I chose a fun and joyful display font called Blueberry. This font is also one of the fonts designed by Dean Studio. You can check out our other fonts on the website that I put in the description. Anyway, the uppercase and lowercase of the Blueberry font are different, and I choose to use the lowercase one because it has a more fun vibe. And I arrange the size and the angle and I put this text above this element. This time, I added the text National Dog Day, used the same font as the previous one, adjusted everything and changed the color to white. Meanwhile, for the happy one, I changed it into the darkest purple in my color palette. The following step was to add the date, which was August 26, 2024, and then I would be using Interbold font size 21 in white color, and then I made some adjustments. I put and adjusted some elements from the keyword organic shape and some other keywords like organic botanical shape, bone, and paw that can suit the design theme. In the top part, I gave some space for you to put your dog's name. I changed the size to 24 and adjusted the letter spacing so that it could be read well. Next, I gave a curve effect and adjusted it according to the shape of the frame. Oh, I somehow wanted to add one element of the line here. To ensure that the background wouldn't look too flat, I added shapes, adjusted them, sent it to the back, and then changed the color to the darkest purple. At this stage, I could insert the picture of the dog already by using the Uploads feature. I put this dog picture as an example. To adjust the position and size, I just needed to click twice and move it. Lastly, we can now download the result. And there you have it, a beautiful Twibbon ready to celebrate National Dog Day. Now, here's how you can use it. Just click the Canva link in the description box below. And you can replace the placeholder photo with a picture of your dogs. It's that simple. Share it on your social media and use the hashtag National Dog Day to spread love. And I would love to see what you come up with. So feel free to tag me in your post. Also, to celebrate their day, don't forget to give your dog an extra cuddle. And if you want, go help stray dogs out there as much as you can. You can do it by either volunteering in a shelter, making a donation, or consciously adopting them to be your forever friends. Whatever that is, it will help. Well, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design content, and let me know in the comment if there's specific design you want to see. Thanks for watching and bye!